Dear friends, I am Bogdan. Today I will tell you about the non-obvious scramble, how to determine it and what it is, for what it is needed in trading, especially in the cryptocurrency market. Before starting the video, subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. I will fix it in the comments. My Telegram is Max Trade. Here I publish a lot of analytics and principle, processing of my transactions. For example, for today, March 31st, 2025, such transactions were processed by pound, were also thrown off before processing. That is, such analytics were. So subscribe and do not miss a lot of useful analytics and cool transactions. The link will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's start with the video. What is the non-obvious scramble? How to use it? If you watch my video on the channel about inducement, about IZEM, then you understand how we trade. That is, the price moves in a certain trend, removes the stimulus, that is, inducement, and already further we must in fact continue to grow to this confirmed maximum, which was confirmed after the removal of inducement. There, for example, further we will have an area of the second quarter, which we are there just looking for positions. So, the non-obvious scramble is when the price, after the removal of inducement, in fact, does not immediately go up to this maximum, as it happens in the usual classic model, but starts to darken, somehow trading, creating some swings. Later it makes buy bites, that is, it breaks this swing and encourages people here to open transactions in the wrong direction. That is, it makes such bites, that is, impulsive movements in the wrong direction, to entice people to open transaction in the wrong direction. It is very important that you understand that we work in a certain range, that is, from this maximum to this minimum. The price should not go beyond this maximum, in no case. We can use here, for example, extreme order block. The price is related to it, and in this place, as a rule, some kind of trading begins. That is, we are waiting for this trading in order to further enter the sale. We are waiting for the formation of an impulse, imbalance, and in this case, we can already sell. This is just the non-obvious scramble. When there is a removal of inducement, it immediately goes away, starting to trade, that is, without showing any signs that it will go on the trend after the removal of inducement. It makes a buy bite, it incites people to buy, breaking this swing. It is related to the extreme order block. It also makes a trade, forms an imbalance and goes down. Let me show you how it looks on the real graph. Here we have Bitcoin. It was not quite recently, on March 27th, literally 4 days ago. We had a range here, from this minimum to this maximum. We see that the price is removing inducement here, confirming this high, and it begins to trade in our zone, the second quarter, in the area of interest, where we usually look for positions, most of them. What do we see? That the price begins to make a bite, the first bite, breaking this swing to the left, inciting people to open longs. The price indicator here tried to go higher. Why? Because people bought, they wanted to go longs, but it did not work. The price takes and removes. Then there is a second bite, when it updates this high, allegedly confirming this long trend that will go to this high, to this obvious high, that is, the obvious liquidity. But as a result, there is a classic trading, the formation of imbalances here, and the entrance to the position, to the sale. The first goal, of course, will be to update this local LOI, and the main goal will be the main LOI on our structure, that is, here, here, here. 1 to 11 transaction, and this is the usual position in our strategy. That is, here you can even see how the price on the structure went well. We also had a range here, this high to this LOI, our trading range. We saw it with trading 0.5, removing the inducement. The price touched this extreme block, and from it has already formed an obvious reversal and gave a position in the sale. That is, excellent processing of all factors and structures, according to our trading strategy. Subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description, in the pinned comment, so as not to miss a lot of useful information. Also, if you're interested in learning this trading strategy, then you can go to the pinned post, and here already learn all the information about training. Thank you all for watching. Put likes, subscribe to the channel, write comments. Good luck to everyone and bye.